Hey guys, you can directly make a 3D shadow effect in this video if you watch till the end. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a 3D shadow background effect and you can use it whenever you want. So first of all you need to open a PixArt application, and when you use a PixArt application, first of all you need to use a color background. I am showing that what you have to do. First of all you need to go to here and in a draw one, and you can simply click on a draw, and you can see that the ratio is 1:1. So here you can use just as a an objective. I'm going to say that why you need to do this in a photo one. You can just directly add this image in yes, and you can adjust this like I'm just slightly doing in a right manner, and you can either you can make it a big one or simply light a click to here. It's a good. Then guys, in a anywhere you can click, and here you can see that it's a layer one. You can see the layers, so I'm showing here. You can use your brush one. You can select the color one as a gray here, and you can just go to shapes in a rectangle one, and you can square to OK. And here you just need to do this to select the image perfectly fitting in here. You can adjust it like this. You have to just slightly adjust it, and then you can do this with yourself, and it's going to be happen. Yes, right. So here you can see that the image is correctly seated on it, so you can go there and the right one click yes, and you can see this, the image is here. So how does it going to be a background 3D effect? So here you have selected the image kind and gray one, so here you have to go to effects like I'm going, and you need to go to blur one. You can see that you will go into filter first of all, and then you will go to the blur one. So here you can use the blur. You can see there is a blur, so here you can see it's a blur one. You can directly just tapping on it, and you can increase the blurriness or you can decrease it. Either you can do anything what you want. And there's a fade one, you didn't need to use it, so just click on yes, completely had done. So after that what you had to do is go to your add photos, and you just need to use that the image again. You can see that the image is seated here, so you just need to adjust it again like this, something like this, and you can adjust it this way, so it's perfectly matched on the shadow one. So here you need to adjust slightly over there, and you can click anywhere, and you can see it's a perfect one. You can select yes, going to tool, crop. You can use a crop one. You have cropped it and going yes for it, and you can directly download it. So I'm just showing you how it's going to in gallery. Just go for gallery, and here we can see that our 3D image shadow background effect is shown here. You can see that the image quality is still good, which is the best, and you can use it whenever you want. It's just look like a awesome one. So thank you guys for watching, and you can subscribe my channel, give a like, and you can watch all my videos whenever I upload.